Hi, this is Terry. I've lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused, low-carb diet. I've managed to maintain since 2022. Stick around because I never know what adventure I'm on. Okay, y'all, today is going to be a different kind of Walmart haul because my kitchen table is covered. Look at them faces. They say, look what she got us. It's the only thing she brought home. But you got plenty of treats. Don't be acting like you're starved to death. Callie was, I think they said she was up a pound, or maybe down a pound. I don't know. Anyway, so after Lou's allergy test, this was one of the dog foods that he can have. There's no wheat, lamb, or the other stuff that he's allergic to. What you think, guys? Yeah? Yeah? Hang on, let's just give them a treat. These are something called sizzlers that they can have. Okay, Lou, go. Go. Now go on, buddy. Sammy. Uh-oh, I think I gave somebody two. Hang on, Baxter. I didn't forget you, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hold on. Hold on, little boy. Okay. Easy. Hey, easy. Okay. There you go. All right. Okay. So we got them some dog food. The total was like $3.57 or something like that. And it's because I bought the dog food. And this is like $42. So my budget for my human food, my human stuff up here was $300. So anyway, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to be buying dog food now on my shopping days. Before I was having it shipped because it had to be a special kind. But Walmart has this one. So here's to hoping Lou's ears get better. I got me a red and white onion. Got my tricolor coleslaw, two of them. I got a rutabaga and a jicama. Funny story, I was talking about rutabaga and jicama and talking about doing low carb. And the cashier was talking about dieting. And the girl behind me said she's carnivore. So I was like, girl, let me tell you, you need to start your own YouTube channel because that will help you stay on track. And then I told her my channel's name. She was a sweet lady. So I got a couple zucchini because I told her I did carnivore. But now, of course, you know, I'm working out maintenance, see what I can eat and not eat. Tomatoes, which, by the way, if any of you all are carnivore, I have playlists on my channel, so that way you all can see the various stages I was in, because you may not be in a stage you may not be in a maintenance stage like me, and you may wonder what I ate while I was losing instead of what I'm eating now that I'm in maintenance. Okay, I said zucchini. Got my Greek seasoning. Y'all know I can't be without this stuff. Got me, this time I got some sliced, these olives for that, well, it's a cucumber Greek salad, but I use zucchini in it, and it's good. So I'll call it my Greek zucchini salad. Got me some pickles, some no sugar added pickles, some more feta, no sugar added bread and butter pickles. I got this. So what did I going to use it for? Oh, yeah, I got this big old honking thing of alcohol. And I'm like, I just need just a little bit to put on on a cotton Q-tip to clean out my belly button. So I could put alcohol in this and leave this in my little carrying thing. So instead of that big old honking thing of alcohol, I got 2 sweet potatoes and 2 raw white potatoes. And they didn't have any butternut squash, so I ended up with potatoes. It'll be all right. Don't say a word. Don't say a word. I got me some gum. Just zip it. Zip it. We don't discuss that. I've been adding a splash of heavy cream in my coffee every day, so I got some heavy cream. And it was cheaper to buy this thing than 2 of the next size downs. Fairlife skim milk, because I put a splash of this and, I don't know, a heavier splash of this in my coffee in the mornings. You know, I got to have my flavor enhancers, so I got a bunch of flavor enhancers. I ain't saying they're the right thing. I'm saying it's my thing. I've used up so much of my Mucinex, I had to pick up some more. And I found that this nighttime, the Equate Vaporize, It's just the right thing to help me get to sleep whenever I'm coughing. NyQuil, what I don't like about NyQuil itself is I take it and 4 hours later, I'm like, bing, hello world, let's go do something. So it's frustrating, but something about this particular blend of medications, it helps me stop coughing even throughout the night, and it works throughout the night, not just for the first 4 hours. Got pork rinds, and then dadgummit, I don't remember which one of y'all said that you had the churro porking good ones. Now, dadgummit, I'm blaming you for me picking these up. They're flavored dessert pork rinds. I know, we all know what's going to happen. I got some nose spray. This is just saline, because when I called my doctor and told her that my nose was bleeding, they suggested I get some of this to use. And I got some more Zyrtec, generic Zyrtec. I wanted to try this, long-acting soft chews for coughing. So, cough chews, interesting. So I thought, well, why not? I needed some balsamic and red wine vinegar. Got me some eggs. Man, eggs are not cheap anymore. Let's see. And then I got some Dawn dish detergent, because I use one up here every night in my creamy thing. Had to pick up some more magnesium. Wait a minute. I used the 4. Aw, poop. I got the wrong one. Well, I'll just have to take more of them. That's a kick in the pants. Maybe I'll take them back. Anyway, I'll figure out. I got this to clean my hardwood floors. Because usually what I did in the past was I have this like wax steamer, or the steamer thing. And so I might try this on them. They got me some Mr. Clean for my kitchen floors. And then some, because y'all know I'm kind of starting this cleaning journey. So some microfiber cloths. So there you go. All this was $350. So, okay, have a good day.